Okay guys, we have a special pellet gun shooting edition for you. You want to explain what we're doing, or you want me to explain it?
You explain.
Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna shoot a bunch of stuff, and we're gonna try and use our editor to make it come out in slow motion. And the victims here are going to be a bag of water, a nice egg, 2 lemons that have gone bad, and 2 tomatoes that have gone bad. So we're not wasting any food here. They've already gotten pretty nasty. And we're using our handy dandy Crosman pellet gun that is like laser beam accurate. So
let me turn it up one more.
That's what we're going to be shooting at right there. Okay, hang on now. I want to try and get your view as much as we can. So
man, how do snipers do this shit? This hurts.
Okay.
Ready?
Alright, go for it, dude.
Really?
Well, that wasn't super exciting.
Oh, come on.
Just pick it up and shoot the thing. Here.
No.
Get a red dot.
Ah. Oh, we know.
There you go. You don't need to lay around on the ground and do this other crazy.
It's more fun that way.
Well, that wasn't the big fat juicy explosion I was looking for. Let's move on. Let's do something different.
Wait. Get out of the way.
Come back to one more of these.
Damn you, red dot. I need to find a better way.
Alright,
with
here.
this.
I'll give you something more fun to shoot at. You want to shoot at it this way?
Yeah, do it that way so it's like I'm shooting its butthole. No, other way. Ew, that's a rotten tomato.
Yeah, that's gone bad.
How did... I can't tell if that requires... if that's better or worse. Because it's like...
Just go for it. Ooh, well, you got it. Yeah, that looked kind of nice. Of course, you had it sitting like that. You must have just barely got the bottom of it. Alright, we got another shot in that. Do I get to have a turn?
No!
No?
You dragged me out here, I'm gonna have the most... I'm the one that's gonna have the fun here.
Hit it right in the middle, alright?
You got it. Why'd you have to get a gun with a long-ass barrel? It's super hard.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Thing's crazy accurate, man.
Yeah, it's accurate, but it's a pain in the ass to level out.
Dude, good shot. You want to go for one more?
Yeah. Up a little bit more. Let's take one more shot with it.
Yeah, you can go here. Aim right for the nipple hole.
Right where I shot it?
Yeah, let's do that. Alright, good enough. What do you want to do next? Man, what? Some kind of a caterpillar or something got hold of that one. Look at that.
Probably a worm in there. See, I did hit it. I hit it twice.
I don't think so.
I just hit that one. You didn't see
Let
the
me
juice?
shoot it. Let me shoot it.
No.
Yes,
Look.
I'm watching it.
Look carefully.
I'm watching it on the screen. Okay, I saw it move. You must be hitting it at like the very bottom.
No, Billy, you don't want to go in backwards.
Okay, well you got a bullet in there now. So. Alright, after this, don't reload again. Alright, enough of this thing.
What's next? Egg or another
I think
tomato?
these are like too dried out and whatever.
You said get them.
Alright, should we do the egg or another tomato?
Let's do an egg.
Alright.
The water's up for the last one, right? Looks good on the camera.
Wait a minute. Yeah, pretty good. Alright, go for it. Oh! Well, you definitely got that. That's the beauty of an egg. You can tell when you hit an egg, right?
Yeah.
If you want it to get funny, try and shoot it from the top down so you can get multiple shots on it. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Just go an inch down each time. Ooh, wait a minute. I gotta back up the camera.
Wait, what?
It's too tall. I gotta kind of readjust here. Okay, I'm good. Aim for the top. Did that even go through?
It did go through. I aimed for the top.
I can see this teeny little trail of bubbles coming here. Alright, better hurry up. Oh! Now that's more what I was expecting.
Put it back up.
I'm trying.
I'm gonna get right. I'm gonna get right in the center.
I'll just stand over here. Are we still good on the camera?
I hit. This one fell on the floor.
Just blow it off. If we were in dirt, I'd say no, but oh, nice. They look like they're getting more violent the further down it gets, you know?
That's why I'm going slowly.
I think it's the air. It gives it more like expansion.
Should I go for the direct bottom?
Yeah, you probably only got one more good shot left. Shoot him up. Perfect. Alright, let's call that done. You want to do the bag filled with water or the tomato?
Let's do the tomato.
Alright.
Let's save the bag full of water for like the grand thing. Cause we should have done a water balloon.
Oh shit. It pushed the nail back. Well, it's not like we can't do another one, Austin. This is just the first time.
I know. Part 2, we should.
This is like just clean out the bad shit in the refrigerator.
Part 2, let's do a water balloon. Doesn't have to be a water balloon. Water balloon.
I think we should do a contest with the high-powered ones. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I don't know how this is
Go
gonna.
up on the.
I don't know how this is gonna turn out slow-mo footage. Well, it's weird when I tighten it down, it kind of changes.
Just tighten it.
Right there. All right, go.
What the hell was that? Put it up there once more. I don't know, we're so stingy on ammo. We have like a life.
We're not stingy
Why?
on ammo.
You're being kind of stingy.
How?
Okay, enough shots.
Well, we don't have a machine gun.
I think that's enough shots for that. One more? Alright. This time I'll go for...
Don't mind if I do. Give it to me.
No,
Cough it up.
I'd rather not.
I think this would be fun with the big 30 cal that I got. It would just splatter these things. Nice. Probably only have one shot with that, so make sure you make it a good one.
Wait. Zoom out.
Okay, hang on. Let me recenter. Alright, aim right in the center.
No. Back it out a
Go
little
out a
bit.
little
Back it out a little bit. You want to actually see the explosion.
There, like that.
There. Perfect.
Make it a good one. Right. Perfect. Alright, I guess we're done. Does that peas itself out?
Let's put another one. I can put another one in there.
Alright, you want to try in the bottom half?
Mm-hmm. Put it right.
Wait a minute, let me lower.
I'm gonna shoot it right in the corner.
I know, that's the cool thing about that pistol. You can like shoot it perfectly. Alright, I guess we're done. See, that wasn't so horrible, was it?
No.
Alright.
You actually made them kind of fun.
Actually kind of fun. It's a good thing he has the gun, otherwise I'm shoot him. Shoot you right in the butt cheek.
Look at that.
I just want to show you something. You nailed like a 1 in a million shot. I don't think you even realized what you did. Look at, I was cleaning it off and you actually skimmed a shot that did a perfect cross section. It's like you nailed the pellet right on the very edge. You know how hard that would be to do? There it is a little bit. Yeah, I mean, it just went perfectly skimmed right across the top. And that's our nice, complicated little shooting platform right there. Okay, see you later, guys. That was fun.